Today, my heart is full of pride and gratitude. On behalf of the government and the people of Pakistan, especially our 2.2 million strong Pakistani community here in the UAE, I thank the government of the United Arab Emirates celebrating the 78th anniversary of Pakistan Independence Day in such a grand way. The government of the UAE Media Office through Emirates of Pakistan in collaboration with the Pakistan Association Dubai created a celebration like no other, full of joy, unity and friendship right here in the UAE. 60,000 people registered for the event held at the Dubai Exhibition Center in Expo City, Dubai, the largest Pakistan Independence Day gathering anywhere in the world. My heartfelt congratulations to the Emirates of Pakistan and the Pakistan Association Dubai for their hard work and making this possible. Also, my deep appreciation to our missions team for assisting and facilitating this mega event. This celebration is more than just a festival. It is a symbol of our friendship, our brotherhood, our shared dreams. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan United Arab Emirates Friendship Zindabad.